NANOLEAF elements are modular hexagon wood panels which create a truly bespoke lighting experience. The panels can be used as both beautiful wall art or customizable ambient lighting. You can simply touch to ignite a dynamic glow across the panels or play music with panels in sync. The panels come with 11 curated scenes, which can gently fill your space with a dynamic glowing illumination to set the ideal ambience. Ambience is adjustable from warm to cool white, filling your home with soft illumination. NANOLEAF elements can be controlled with touch buttons, NANOLEAF app, Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, IFTTT, NANOLEAF remote and Samsung SmartThings. NANOLEAF lines is another great product from NANOLEAF that delivers stunning RGB illumination. These modular backlit smart light bars connect together to create virtually infinite, stunning designs with futuristic ambient glow. With the built-in rhythm music sync, your light lines react and dance to the beat in real time. It is possible to choose from 19 built-in scenes, or create your own unlimited RGBW animations with 2 vibrant color zones per line. NANOLEAF Android and iOS app allows you to fully customize your lighting. While gaming, you can choose flowing color animations, ambient screen mirroring, or even real-time reactions and lighting effects from in-game events. Lines light bars and Razer Chroma devices like your keyboard, mouse, and headphones can also sync brilliant color effects. NANOLEAF lines can be controlled with physical buttons, NANOLEAF app, or voice commands via Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant or IFTTT, Samsung SmartThings and Razer Chroma. Both, NANOLEAF elements and NANOLEAF lines, support thread border routing which allows them to effectively be the hubs that connect the other Thread smart home devices to your home Wi-Fi network. GOVEE Glide Hexa light panels are smart LED hexagon wall lights which can be used to customize your home aesthetics. You can create a personalized lighting with inspiration for your gaming room, living room, bedroom and more wall decor scenes. The product features unique RGBIC tech. Each edge has different light colors to produce more effects like ultra-smooth flowing or gradient color between LED wall panels. The translucent back shell design shine onto the wall to make extra layering light for room decor. With 6 kinds of music sync modes, you can visualize your songs with lights panels dancing to the rhythm. It is possible to select from animated multicolor scene effects based on nature, holidays, and more. GOVEE Home app provide in-depth features including music and scene modes, daily scheduling, and sharing user-made effects. The app intelligently recognizes the position of hexagon lights for seamlessly flowing rainbow-like effects across your entire design. GOVEE Glide Hexa light panels also work with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control of colors, brightness, and effects. LIFX offers a great product line of energy-efficient, multicolor, Wi-Fi enabled, digital addressable LED light bulbs that can be controlled via Wi-Fi equipped smart devices. LIFX bulbs and strip lights feature a massive range of colors and shades of whites. LIFX Clean Range is perfect for your home gym routine and can be scheduled to emit bright white, invigorating light or funky colors throughout your workout to keep you in the zone. LIFX products use polychrome technology and can paint or animate many colors along a single strip. With simple schedule, LIFX color can transition from bright whites in the mornings to dim ambers in the evening, which will maintain your circadian rhythm for a healthier sleep-wake cycle. LIFX app, set each individual light in your living room to the perfect shade, color and brightness, then capture every setting in a single scene to use for movies to come. The lights can react to in-game events, creating the fully immersive experience and which can be extended with exclusive effects for deeper immersion when you connect to Razer Chroma. LIFX lighting bulbs and strips work with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant and Apple HomeKit. CREE Lighting offers vintage glass filament LED bulbs which are designed to be seen, filling your home space with controllable, beautiful, tunable white light for your decorative and exposed fixtures. It is possible to turn on, off or dim to your favorite shade of white light, from 2200 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, via app or voice commands. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, pairing is simple and easy. Lights can be automated to gradually shift throughout the day to mimic natural sunlight, which can improve your mood, well-being and productivity. With just one tap, you can automate the lights to turn on at night and off during the day without having to touch a switch again. Voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant are supported. The YEELIGHT ARWEN C and S series ceiling lights comes in two sizes suitable for 15 square meters to 35 square meters rooms. These lighting products features adjustable brightness and color temperature from warm white to cool white and indirect RGB lighting. Timer and personalized schedules can be created through the mobile app. Pre-programmed and individual lighting scenes are also possible as well as day and night lighting modes. Lighting fixtures are dust and insect-proof to IP50. The YEELIGHT ARWEN C and S series ceiling lights can be controlled by conventional switch, YEELIGHT app, Xiaomi Home app, Bluetooth remote or Bluetooth smart switch or voice commands. The ceiling lights are compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit and Samsung SmartThings. TCP Smart offer lighting products that work through your home Wi-Fi network without any hub or subscription fees. TCP Smart app on iOS and Android devices control all TCP products directly over Wi-Fi. It is possible to set smart schedules to control lights automatically. Voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Home is supported. TCP LED plus outdoor FESTOON LIFX uses music played on your smart device to control the frequency of light changes. Flow scene control allows for selected colors flow after each other. With rainbow scene enabled, each bulb changes between the colors selected. Chase scene option can be selected for colors chasing effect. With dazzle scene, all bulbs flash between the colors selected. Gradient scene option allows a trio of bulbs fade between the selected colors. With jump scene effect, a trio of bulbs jump between the selected colors. Breathing scene allows all bulbs to slowly fade with a small gap in between colors. SENGLED Smart A19 bulb offers built-in health monitoring radar technology. It works without any smart hub. Equipped with a Wi-Fi/Bluetooth mesh dual chip, this smart bulb allows users to monitor certain biometric parameters such as heart rate, body temperature, and other vital body signs. Since the pandemic, people have become overly aware of their health and wellness. When multiple bulbs are connected via a Bluetooth mesh network, the bulb creates a virtual map to help detect human behavior. It can also send for help in case it detects someone has fallen. The SENGLED Health Monitoring Smart Bulb uses frequency-modulated continuous wave radar together with the company's proprietary AI algorithms to help users track sleep and monitor their health stats. SENGLED Wi-Fi LED multicolor TV light strip enhances TV, movie, sports, and gaming experience. This segmented light strips features super easy mounting and can be easily configured and adhere to fit 45-inch to 72-inch screens. With 4 meters combined length, SENGLED Smart Wi-Fi LED multicolor with TV built-in microphone allows for the TV light strips to dynamically sync to your audio. You can customize your theme by choosing from millions of colors or select from movie, game, music themes with the SENGLED Home iOS or Android app, without a smart hub. TP-Link TAPO Smart Wi-Fi Spotlight L630 multicolor is compatible with any GU10 fixture. The spotlight emits a 40-degree, 350 lumens beam, creating an amazing vibe with 16 million colors, and can be dimmed from 1% to 100% brightness. The color temperature can also be adjusted from 2200 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin based on your changing needs, reducing energy use, without losing brightness or quality. For hands-free voice control, you can use Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to control the spotlights with voice commands. TAPO Smart Wi-Fi Spotlight L630 does not require any hub for operation, and can be quickly set up and managed through the free app. TP-Link TAPO Smart Wi-Fi Light Strip L935 multicolor offers zonal color control and can controls 50 separate color zones. Well-designed, animated and fancy lighting effects can be created using the TAPO app. With Music Sync feature you can dynamic lighting effects, parallel with the surrounding music beat. TAPO L935 supports Apple HomeKit and can be controlled with Siri. Voice control via Alexa and Google Smart Assistants is also possible. TAPO L935 strip does not require any hub for operation and can be quickly set up over Wi-Fi using the mobile app. Twinkly Dots is a miniaturized, flexible LED string with a lighted length of 33 feet and consisting of 200 RGB, 0.28-inch LEDs specifically designed with a flat matte head to reach impressive brightness levels and perfect color tones. The Twinkly ecosystem comprises a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi controller and a state-of-the-art smartphone application, bringing new levels of lighting design and creativity within your connected home. Dots can be mapped and every single LED can be controlled individually, allowing you to create and reproduce unique effects, gradients, and color animations. Easily configurable via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, Twinkly Dots is controlled using the free Twinkly app, available for iOS and Android. The Twinkly's app enables you to create bespoke light design installations using a wide range of pre-made effects and animations, as well as the ability to create your own effects from scratch using the FX Wizard creation tool. Twinkly Dots can be voice-controlled seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, as well as with Apple HomeKit, Homey, Razer Chroma RGB via Twinkly Chroma connector. With Omen Light Studio on Omen Gaming Hub you can enhance your gaming experience with stunning light effects that react to your gameplay. Twinkly Dots are rated IP44 and are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. GOVEE Neon Rope Light offers endless possibilities and can be used to add expressive and customizable neon rope light looks to a game room, living room, bedroom and more for an exciting lighting experience. With over 16 million DIY color customization, gorgeous 64 preset scene modes, 11 music mode, group control with other GOVEE smart lights, and deep community sharing features. You can elevate your party, gaming time with neon lights, which uses a built-in mic to detect music and gaming audio and match with effects that react in real time for thrilling home entertainment. With GOVEE RGBIC technology, it is possible to set more color at one time on the bendable neon rope light and also display flowing, animated multicolor effects based on nature, holidays, and emotions. The product is with IP67 water resistance, and can be used outdoors as well. GOVEE neon rope lights can be managed with simple voice commands via Alexa, Google Assistant, and GOVEE Home app.